everyone. Today, let's have some foodie talks. Food is an emotion. Don't you agree? Of course, people are crazy after trying new tastes every day. We have a number of hotels and shops to provide variety of options. But have you ever asked this? Do we eat to live or live to eat? What do you feel? We all know that foodie reels are getting to a hike and the door deliveries are increasing each day. But is it normal to eat anything we wish, or should we follow any diet to keep ourselves healthy? To think about that, I wish to have your attention to my talk on need for healthy eating habits. I am Sidra of class 4th. We all know that food is one of the essential factors in keeping us lively. Healthy food refers to food that contains the right amount of nutrients to keep our body fit. It is important to encourage good eating habits so that our future generation will be healthy and fit. Nowadays, lifestyle diseases are increasing, for example, diabetes, obesity, stroke, hypertension, etc. Obesity has become one of the biggest problems in our country. Reason for all such a problem is unhealthy eating habits. So, why should we choose healthy food over those tempting but not so healthy treats? Well, junk foods or unhealthy food like sugary snacks, fried chips, soft drinks, fast food like burger, pizza, etc. may satisfy our taste buds, but those can make our tummies feel yucky and make us tired. It's true that the food that we eat not only affects our body, also our mind and emotions. So to keep us sound in a sound body, we should choose healthy to eat. Healthy foods like colorful fruits and vegetables are very essential for our body. Eating the right food at the right times helps our brain work like super duper thingy machine. So, more fruits and veggies we eat, the smarter and stronger we become. Enjoying treats occasionally is fine if could keep a limit. By making mindful choices, we pave way for a healthier and happier future. It's not about eating to live, it's eating to thrive.